Okay. Well, William from Williams, Philippines. Today is April 20th, 2024. So, yeah. Some of you are having fun with the. Just understand it has. Yeah. Green Leafy Day, I understand. Choices. Bad choices. But hey, they're yours to make and yours to suffer the consequences of. Always remember, everything you do is you. And yeah, I'm a bit tired today. Got the phone call, went over, and finally got the phone call to go get the money for the signing for my property to get it all transferred out. Yay! I have some pictures and a bit of video I did, but I couldn't get them off my iPhone. So they're not going to be on this one. But I did manage to get over there. And that's a good thing. So I have money in the bank. $2,000. Got there and yeah, they had set it up so where I paid everything and had to no, so we had to go back and start the paper over again. So I get a phone call about 1:15. I'm over there by 2 o'clock and didn't leave until about 3:45. So, yeah. Good part was, I got a bottle of wine. Apparently they give away a bottle of wine at signings. I don't know. Anyway, let me reposition that a little better. There we go. Anyway, they gave me a bottle of wine at signing, and I was kind of happy about that idea. My Blanc, my back, whatever you call that. I've managed to go through the 100-something bottles I had when I decided to actually move over to the Philippines. So I've been popping a couple bottles of wine a week for most of the last year. And finally, just last week, had finished my last bottle of mead. So, yay. 13-year-old mead is good. Look out. It has a tendency to just sneak up on you. Yeah. But it's good. You think, hey, it tastes like Kool-Aid. You're drinking along. It's not a sweet Kool-Aid. But you're drinking along, and all of a sudden, yeah. It is what it is. But anyway, I got that for doing this. But yes, had to wait for the papers to get redone because they'd set it up where I paid for everything. And yeah. And since it had been past the date, they had to redo the little contract. I should have argued with them about it, but at this point I was just glad to take and be getting the money to go in the bank. But then they had to, delay again and say, you'll have to wait to get a check, but we can just transfer it over to you if you give us your bank information. So yeah, that went straight to my bank. It's already there and cleared. So yeah, it's actually in my bank account and taken care of. They wired it over. And my bank didn't take any of it for the wire, and neither did they for the wire. So yay, I actually got all my money. Which is a good thing. But yes, by the time I got done there and then got back here to the house and started decompressing and getting ready for bed, it was 5 o'clock before I even tried to lay my head down. And so yeah, and then the phone rang a couple times. between 5 and 10. I'm all happy camper about that. So yes, today I'm a little bit on the tired side, but I do have money in the bank, and I'm going to be I'm going to put it toward my little loan that I'm paying $158 a month on, so $160. I'm wiping that one out. It's gone. Everything from there can go toward paying my credit card debt on my credit card. And I'm going to take the other $500, and I'm not positive yet. I'm probably going to throw a little extra at my bills, and then a little bit toward get it into my stockbroker account. But then I'm also thinking I might just go ahead, since the peso is up right now. I saw 57.5. Think I might throw $100 at that. In case it, if it goes back down, yay. Means I got it at a good price. If the value of the peso comes back up and the dollar goes back down, yeah. But if it continues to go up, oh well, I've got pesos. They're already pesos. I'm not really worried. But I would like to stagger like $50 here, $50 there, and if it continues to go up, I get a little bit as it goes up each time. And if it goes down, well, I've got dollars, and I'll get what I get when I get it. But yeah, I'm thinking put, I don't know, 150, 200. We'll see. I ain't got that far past the figuring yet. But I do want to get a little bit into my account and get it figured out. We'll see. Anyway, I did manage to get a few things done. I got my walk done. I got my food cooked, and I even got that part of that little video edited from my walk, but still got more of it to go. Ate, and then, yeah, got a little bit of stuff in the trash and ready to go out the door. I'm going to probably try and grab that on the way tomorrow morning, because yay. More stuff got to get out of, stuff's got to go. So yeah, start tossing down a bunch of stuff, tossing it out and getting rid of it. But then, like I say, they got in touch with me, and I actually got the money in the bank, and that took care of, so I didn't have to go to the bank. It got it transferred over. I really would have preferred it to be in cash, but then, cash, it burns a hole in your hand if you have it there long enough. So yeah, it is what it is. Anyway, yeah, it's been a fairly productive day. I'm just on the tired side. And when I got here to my Evil W, instead of my evening girl being here, my boss was here. So yay, he had food for me. Good thing. I don't know about you, but I like, Indian food, and he knows it. So I had some spicy veggies stuff, and it was good. Yeah, ate that fairly early this evening. Now I'm hungry again, though. There wasn't enough. Usually he has plenty, but today it was on the short side. Hey, free food, I'm happy. Gonna try to cook up something. I brought a piece of my air fryer chicken that I cooked yesterday. I'm gonna try to take a piece of that and one of these packages of noodles and make some chicken noodle stuff. Yay. Get that done and call it a snack before I get into trying to make breakfast for everybody this morning. But yes, I've decided I'm gonna get really hardcore on my diet and try to only eat once a day and do my bulletproof coffee and just do 2 cups of that a day, and my one meal, well, 2 meals in a 4-hour window. You know, I can eat at 8, and then I have to eat by noon. If I don't eat by then, it's done, and I stay in. I don't have a bunch of food going in there, so I pretty much end up staying in ketosis for, 20 hours. So be doing the intermittent fasting thing. I'm going back on that and gonna get dead serious on it. I'm tired of having a belly, and I want to lose this weight before I get over to the Philippines. And yeah, part of me wants to take a piece of this money and go buy some Balikbayan boxes and start packing stuff that I'm going to send over, or have my aunt send over. And yeah, I just don't know. It is what it is. Anyway, that's a couple of the things I wanted to throw out there today. This is going to be kind of one on the short side. If I could figure out how to get this, I don't know why it's not doing. It's not seeing on the iPhone on this Chromebook. I guess it's a phone seeing a phone, and it don't want to transfer over. It says that it's letting me, have access, but it's not seeing what's on the phone, so I can't transfer it. So I'll have to probably wait till I get to the house and get on the actual Windows computer and try to pull the pictures off of that and see if I can finish. Yeah, and maybe post a picture of that bottle of wine and the package as my thumbnail for this one. I know I don't usually do thumbnails on these, but I was thinking that might be a good one. It was a good day. It was productive. Just, I'm tired. Anyway. William from Williams, Philippines, and oh, I'm so ready to get there. This is a good thing. Like I say, I'm going to be zeroing out one of my debts and putting money toward a couple other good things. So that's a good thing. Anyway, William from Williams, Philippines. I'm tired. Oh God, am I tired. William from Williams, Philippines. And y'all have a good day. Later, blessings. Bye-bye. Stay safe. I'm Fish, and well, Fish is out. Take it easy.